Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good evening I bid to my beloved lecturer, Dr. Nozaina binti Idris, and my fellow friends. So today, I would like to deliver a speech titled The Harmful Effect Caused by Improper Electronic Waste, E-Waste Recycling. Electrical and electronic equipment is an essential part of the busy world. As our technology become more advanced and the demand for the latest gadget is high, the lifespan of our device is keep getting shorter and more of these products are ending up in rubbish dump. Waste of electrical and electronic appliances generated in a huge amount surrounded us today and has become the world environmental issues. The Department of Environment (DOE) Malaysia classify e-waste as broken, non-working, or old or obsolete electrical and electronic equipment such as television, personal computer, air conditioner, washing machine, and refrigerator. So, my thesis statement for today is improper electronic waste recycling can give some bad effect towards our daily life because it could lead to human health risk, environmental pollutants, and stealing of information from hard drive. One of the effects of improper dumping e-waste is lead to human health risk. According to the National Institute of Environmental Health Science, electronic waste is hazardous because the component used to make device contain metal and chemical which is known to harm human health. Stated by the World Health Organization (WHO), direct contact with harmful materials such as lead, cadmium, chromium, brominated flame retardant, and polychlorinated biphenyl contained in electronic equipment may result in health risks associated with e-waste. The negative effects of environmental exposure are more uniquely vulnerable to infants and children than adults. Researchers believe that pregnant women, especially their growing fetus and children, make them become more prone to damage, especially increase the risk for neurotoxicity. An example of environmentally persistent compounds such as polybrominated diphenyl ether (PBDE) during sensitive development windows can interfere with cognitive function and behavior, which are critical components of neurodevelopment and can cause abnormal brain development during the initial development of fetus. Furthermore, e-waste is also a major factor which directly influencing to environmental pollutants such as land pollution, air pollution, and water pollution, and life threat of wildlife if the e-waste disposal is uncontrollable. E-waste can cause widespread environmental damage due to the use of toxic material in the manufacture of electronic goods. Firstly, disposal of e-waste such as computer waste that filling the space on the ground produce contaminated liquids which can pollute the groundwater. Acidification of soil occurs due to the acid and sludge obtained from a computer chip if it is disposed on the ground. When these toxic leach in the soil, they will also influence the plant and trees that are growing from the soil too. The groundwater, which underlies many surface streams such as ponds and lakes, is where animals relies on this water for nourishment as well and can directly impact human daily resources. For instance, in Guyu, Hong Kong, is a thriving area of illegal e-waste recycling is facing acute water shortage because of the contamination of water resources. Next, improper electronic waste, e-waste recycling tend to increase the potential of stealing information from hard drive. It is important for people to follow best practice for electronic device disposal. According to a recent study by the National Association of Information Destruction (NAID), it has been found that 30% of recycled computers had hard drives that still contain sensitive personal data about the user. Electronic devices that may contain personal information are among the heap of e-waste sent to 3 developing countries without the previous user knowing that the information are not completely erased. If hard drives are not properly destroyed, hackers still have access to the user personal information, including their password or credit card bank. In fact, many cybercriminals has been scanning electronic waste to collect personal data and sensitive information with malicious intention, especially for their own use, such as hacking someone's bank account for money. In conclusion, improper e-waste disposal is particularly harmful to human health, global environment, and personal information, which is why it is so important to spread the awareness about this growing problem and its potentially harmful consequence of majority of people do not know, do not understand the real issue and how it affects us. The growing trend of e-waste will only worsen if not educated on proper disposal measure. Therefore, there are a few steps we can take to reduce this problem by disposal the electronic waste properly to a certificate e-waste recycler, give away or donate e-waste to someone else who can use it or those in need, and by register electronic so that the items can be recycled, refurbished, resold and reused. So that's all from me. Thank you.